For my 351 final project, I made a stitch counter to help with crochet and knitting projects. My input sensors are this ultrasonic sensor and these two potentiometers, and my output is this buzzer, which is a piezoelectric output. So if you adjust this row potentiometer, it adjusts the final row count for your project, and if you adjust the stitch one, then you can adjust the final stitch count. So let's say we want our project to be 4 rows and 4 stitches per row. Then you hit this button to start the program, and anytime you complete a stitch, you wave your hand over this ultrasonic sensor and it adds 1 stitch to the count. You can see that update, and then it starts making the illustration of your project on the processing screen. So let's say I keep making stitches to complete this row, and once you complete the row, you can hear the output from the buzzer. So that signals to the user that you need to move on to the next row. To stop this output, you press this button, which resets the stitch count and adds 1 to the row count. So you know you're on row 2 and you haven't completed any stitches. So then we do another stitch, adds 1 to the stitch count, keeps adding to the illustration, and you proceed like this until you're finished. So you can see here, I got us through the program. We only have 1 stitch left. So let me make that stitch. There's the sound output again to display you're done with this row. Press the button, and there you go, it says you're done, and it displays the completed illustration. Let's say I want to do this project again, or I want to make a new project. You just hit this button again, and then it resets. You can use these potentiometers again to set a new row count or stitch count, and there you go, you can start again.